Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to repost a post on X. Why would you want to know how to repost a post on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to repost a post on X. So today I'm going to show you how to repost a post on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Reposting a post on X is quite simple and the process is easy to do, and it is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Here you are seeing different posts. If their content attracts you and you are willing to repost it on your X timeline, how you can do that? It is very simple. You are seeing two share arrows in bottom of a post. Click on it. Now click on repost. That's it. The post has been reposted. There you go. If you wanted to know how to repost a post on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.